Well, hello everyone, and welcome to class at Spring 2021. I'm Dr. Adams Gortel, and I'll be your professor this semester. The course is Language and Literacy for ELLs 1. We have a mixed group of undergraduate and graduate students, and everyone in this course is learning online. Our group right now is small, although we still have a week before classes begin. I am posting this a little bit earlier, but if I pull up participants, I think right now we have 4 students: Gabrielle, Grace, Pamela, there's me, and Juliana. I'm expecting maybe 2 or 3 others. Classes really do begin next Wednesday, so maybe if we're lucky we'll get a handful more of other students. What I want to do today is I want to go over the class outline, talk about the way that I've set up the online learning, talk a little bit about the assignments and the course content. What I began with is here we have our course syllabus, and we have the Divine Christ. Give us inspiration and support throughout the semester. If you open the syllabus, you can read it in your own time. It has all the requirements and it gives you the course outline. Week by week, I'll post the assignment and the agenda. Classes begin next Wednesday, so for next week, I've put up the agenda, and then I've put up the assignments and all the materials you'll need to do to complete those assignments. So what I'll do, I generally will post the course materials Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday afternoon, so you can expect by Wednesday evening everything that you'll need for the week is there. And then generally everything will be due the following Monday evening. So this will be the case next week. Even though I'm posting this early, next week your agenda is you'll watch this video introduction, you'll read chapter 1, complete the chapter 1 text response, and that's the applications on page 41. You only need to do numbers 1 through 3. Read and learn the 5 components of literacy instruction. Watch the video lesson. Respond to the discussion board, DB1, considering those 5 components. And then complete the discussion board, Something About Me. What you'll do then is you'll find everything you need to complete the agenda right below. So, like I mentioned in the email, I will scan the textbook pages you need. The textbook is available. You can get it at the bookstore. It is rather expensive. That's why I think I'll just scan it for you week by week. Some of you go ahead and feel free to purchase it. You can get it on Amazon, probably cheaper. You might be able to borrow it from someone. But I think, especially with the pandemic, we all are watching the bottom line. So I'll text what you need week by week. So chapter 1's divided. It's right there. You can read it, part 1 and 2. And then you'll submit your text responses right here. So you will go to page 41, complete those, and submit them right there in the Dropbox. Then I ask you to read the 5 components of literacy and learn them. So open this up, read it, learn it. Now we have a big mix. We have some students who are already teachers out there. We have some who are undergrads and are in the teacher prep program. And we have some of you who are taking this course outside your major because you want to go teach overseas. So some of you may be very familiar with the components of literacy instruction, others it may be brand new. Regardless, learn them. After you read them and learn them, then watch the video lesson. Every week I'll give an example lesson. And again, this may be new for you. You only need to watch about 2 minutes. I think I posted at the 3-minute mark. Watch it till about the 5-minute mark. Let's see, I'm just going to launch it here. And it's a teacher. Yes, there she is. So she's teaching a group of ELLs, phonemic awareness. And what I want you to do is just watch it. And then on the discussion board, you're going to respond to what you saw. So when you open the discussion board, I ask you to consider the 5 components of literacy instruction, consider what this teacher's doing, and then reflect on it. What is she doing well? What are areas she can improve on, if any? This is mostly opinion at this part, except for those of you who've been teaching for a while. You might notice some strong points or some weak points. Everyone else, don't panic. You're just beginning this course, so I just kind of want to feel you out to see what you know about ELL instruction. So you'll do this in 250 words. Once you post, I'd like you to respond to other students. However, right now, with only 4 other students, that could be challenging, because if some of you don't do it till the deadline, till Monday night at 10 p.m., it's going to be challenging for those who are maybe more time aware and may have wanted to finish it much earlier. Therefore, if you can't respond to other students this first week, that's fine. At least get your post up and respond to it, because I will expect to see your comments. And if you get a chance to post someone else's response, that's great. But if not this week, I will not take points off for that. And then the last thing is, I'd like to know something about you. So this discussion board, I think within 100 words, just let's share something about ourselves so we get to know each other. If you post a video, that's even better. We get to see you in 3D. No, is it still 3D? No, it's 2D. But it's a little bit more live action. That's it. So everything will be due by a week from Monday. So we're a little bit ahead schedule right now. But why not? You have time, so maybe you can knock this out. And then by the following Tuesday or Wednesday, then I'll repost. Right now, at least I just pull it out of the syllabus, so those that like to work ahead. But I will repost exactly what's here. All right, I think that's it for your crash course. So it's great. I think we're going to have a terrific semester. And just stay safe and healthy. And we'll see you back here in about a week. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.